The self, mind, gender, and body. 1. The self concept strongly influences consumer behavior. A collective self, where a person derives his or her identity in large measure from a social group. The self concept summarizes the beliefs a person holds about his or her own attributes and how he or she evaluates the self on these qualities. Self-esteem refers to the positive a person's self-concept. People with low self-esteem expect that they will not perform very well and they will try to avoid embarrassment, failure, or rejection. 2. Product often define a person's self-concept. Individual level, consumers include many of their personal possessions in self-definition. Family level, a symbolic body for the family and the place where we live, often is a central aspect of who we are. Community level describe themselves in terms of the neighborhood or town from which they come. Group level social groups as a part of the self. Social scientists who study relationship between thoughts and behavior increasingly talk about the theory of embodied condition. Encoded conditions show how the symbolic meaning of clothing changes or how people behave. Digital self-ed will strategical modify the profile photos like Second Life and massive multiplier online. Get ready for the innovation of wearable computing. Virtual makeover technologies make it even easier for each of us to involve the digital self as we choose product to adorn our physical self. 3. Gender identity is an important component of a consumer self-concept. Gender identity is an important component of a consumer self-concept. People often conform to their culture's expectation about how thoughts of their gender, short age, dress, or speak. We refer to these sets of expression as sex roles. Many societies expect males to pursue agentic goals, which stirs self-expression and mastery. However, they teach farmers to value communal goals such as evolution and building harmonious relations. 5 basic conclusions about gender difference. 1. Males are more self-oriented, whereas females are more other-oriented. 2. Farmers are more cautious responders. 3. Farmers are more responsive to negative data. 4. Males process data more selectively and females more consciously. And 5. Farmers are more sensitive to different conditions and factors. Markets promote many sex-type products. The stereotypical masculine or feminine attributes and consumers associate them with one gender or another. Androgyny refers to the possession of both masculine and feminine traits. Some companies that sell exclusively to one gender might therefore decide to test the waters with the other sex when they promote gender bending products, which are traditionally sex-type items adapted to the opposite gender. Or the way we think about our bodies is a key component of self-esteem. Body image refers to a consumer's subjective evaluation of his or her physical self. An ideal of beauty is a particular model or example of appearance. the quality of their bodies reflects their self-worth, so it's not surprising that most, although currently not all, major body image distortion occur among families.